Everyone thinks the best-selling brake pads are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1. Bosch QuietCast BC1212. Let's kick things off with the Bosch BC1212 QuietCast Premium Ceramic Disc Brake Pad Set. Priced at $34.78, these pods caught my attention because of Bosch's long-standing reputation for quality. If you want quiet and reliable stops, this is worth a serious look. Here's why these pads might just solve your braking problems. They feature molded shim technology, which helps reduce noise significantly. This is crucial because nobody wants that annoying squeal every time they hit the brakes. The ceramic material offers exceptional stopping power and low dust operation, which means less cleanup for you. Plus, with over 400 units sold in the past month, it's clear that others are trusting these pads for their vehicles. Now, I've seen some complaints about fitment issues, particularly with specific models. Here's the thing though, as long as you check compatibility with your vehicle, these pads offer outstanding performance that offsets any minor fitting inconveniences. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a quiet, dependable brake pad for your Lexus or Toyota. Skip this one if you drive a less common maker model, as fitment is key here. For the price, you're getting solid value from a trusted brand. Now, if the fitment concerns bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2. Bosch QuietCast BC1324. Another option from Bosch, the BC1324 QuietCast Premium Ceramic Disc Brake Pad Set, priced at $37.67. What stood out to me is how it promises to deliver the same high-quality performance, but is specifically designed for the front of several Lexus and Toyota models. If you're after a front brake pad that combines noise reduction with durability, this one's worth considering. The BC1324 pads also sport molded shim technology, ensuring quieter stops. They're made from premium ceramic material, which gives you excellent braking performance while minimizing dust. The fact that they come with a hardware kit and synthetic lubricant means you get everything you need for a straightforward installation. This is really important because hassle-free installation can save you time and stress. Some users have pointed out that they felt the pads were a bit pricey compared to competitors, but honestly, when you consider the quality and backing of Bosch, you're investing in safety. If you prioritize performance, this price can be justified. This is perfect for you if you want top-notch performance for your front brakes. Skip this one if budget is your main concern. It's a solid choice for the value you get. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for a broader range of vehicles. Product number 3. Bendix Premium SBC1421. We have the Bendix Premium SBC1421 ceramic front brake pads, priced at $30.98. What grabbed my attention is their compatibility with a wide range of vehicles, including some Buicks and Chevrolets. If you need a reliable front brake pad without breaking the bank, this is worth a look. These pods are designed to meet OEM specifications, ensuring a precise fit and reliable performance. They also reduce brake fade, which enhances safety, especially during those sudden stops. With superior durability thanks to high-quality materials, you can expect these pods to last longer, ultimately saving you money in the long run. The positive feedback surrounding their performance speaks volumes, especially considering over 300 of these were sold last month. However, there have been mentions of installation challenges due to vague fitment details. But here's the thing. If you double-check compatibility using the Amazon Confirmed Fit tool, you should be good to go. It's a small step that can save a lot of frustration. This is perfect for you if you own a vehicle from the compatible list and want an affordable option. Skip this one if you're driving a less common model that's not listed. Considering the price, it's a great value for dependable performance. Now, if you're looking for something specifically suited for Toyota models, the next product is tailored just for that.
Product number 4. Bendix Premium SBC1184A ceramic front brake pads, priced at $28.78. These are designed specifically for Toyota and Lexus models, which makes them a solid choice if you drive one of those vehicles. If you want reliable performance at a budget-friendly price, this could be the option for you. Like the previous Bendix model, these pads are made with high-quality materials to ensure durability and resistance to wear. They also provide consistent braking performance, which is essential for daily driving. The fact that they're rigorously tested means you can trust they'll deliver when you need them most. Plus, they've already sold over 200 units recently, indicating customer confidence. One downside is that some users complained about the brake dust being slightly more than expected. But I'll be real with you. If you're looking for a balance between performance and price, a little extra dust isn't a deal breaker for most. This is perfect for you if you drive a Toyota or Lexus and want an affordable solution. Skip this one if you're after a luxury feel and are willing to pay a premium. For the price, you really can't go wrong with this choice. Lastly, if you want a well-rounded pad for various vehicles, the last product is a great pick.
Product number 5, Bosch BE924H Blue Ceramic Disc Brake Pad Set, priced at $27.10. This caught my eye for its advanced friction material and its ability to deliver a smooth, quiet braking experience. If you're looking for a reliable product for your Hyundai or Kia, this is definitely worth considering. These pads are designed with platform-specific friction materials, which means they're optimized for performance in your specific vehicle. They also feature multi-layer shims for noise dampening, which is a big deal if you value quiet operation. The rust and corrosion protection helps extend the life of the pads, so you won't be replacing them again anytime soon. With around 200 units sold recently, they're gaining traction with buyers. However, some users noted that the installation instructions could be clearer. But here's the thing, if you're somewhat handy, you can figure it out, and the performance you'll get is worth the slight hustle. This is perfect for you if you own a Hyundai or Kia and desire a quiet, reliable braking option. Skip this one if you need a high-performance pod for heavy-duty use. For the price, you're getting excellent value from Bosch. To wrap things up, we've looked at 5 great brake pod options. From the quiet performance of the Bosch pads to the affordability of the Bendix models, there's something here for everyone, no matter your vehicle or budget. To wrap things up, we've explored 5 great brake pad options. From the quiet performance of the Bosch pads to the affordability of the Bendix models, there's something here for everyone, no matter your vehicle or budget. Make sure to check compatibility for your specific model, and happy driving!